Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand high-level data link control, normal response mode, and asynchronous balance mode. So these concepts we'll try to understand in this class. So the first one is high-level data link control, HDLC. In short, we call it as HDLC. So what is this HDLC? High-level data link control, HDLC, is a bit-oriented communication protocol. The concepts related to the bit-oriented communication has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of an entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So the concept of a bit-oriented protocol needs to be implemented, and that one of the implementation of the communication protocol, which is a bit-oriented communication protocol, is high-level data link control. So here this HDLC is going to provide two common transfer modes. They are normal response mode and asynchronous balance mode. So what these two types of transfer modes means: whenever the sender and receiver are communicating, the communication between the sender and receiver can be either in this mode or in this mode, which is normal response mode, or the other mode is asynchronous balance mode. So HDLC is going to provide services for both the transfer modes. So what is this normal response mode? So normal response mode, which we have already discussed about this concept, it is where we have discussed about stop and wait, go back and selective repeat. There we have said that sender is going to send the data transfer is between the sender, so the sender is going to send the data, and the receiver, so this is what we call it as primary node, and this is what we call it as a secondary node. The primary node is the node which transfers the data. The data transfer is done from the primary node to the secondary node. In response, the secondary node is going to just acknowledge the receiving the data that has been transmitted. So that kind of transfer mode is what we call it as normal response mode. So HDLC provide this transfer mode, and also the other kind of transfer mode is asynchronous balance mode. So what this asynchronous balance mode is, both the systems, both the sender and the receiver are going to transfer data frames. The data frames are transferred between the sender and the receiver also. Such kind of transfer mode is what we call it as asynchronous balance mode, ABM. So in the asynchronous balance mode, what happens is the sender is going to send the data transfer. In response, the receiver will also send the data frames. Whereas in our previous class, the previous way of transfer mode, there only the acknowledgements are transferred back. But in asynchronous balance mode, so such kind of transfer mode is also supported in HDLC, high level data link control. The implementation of that software is made in such a way so it is going to support both the types of communication, both the transfer modes. So here the data frame will be transferred. The sender is going to transfer the data frame. In response, the receiver will also transfer the data frame. So the concept of piggybacking, while transferring the data back from the receiver, we are going to transfer the acknowledgements also. So such kind of transfer is what we call it as asynchronous balance mode, and both the transfer modes are supported by HDLC. And how they are supported? and what are the control fields that are there within the frame of HDLC. All those concepts we'll try to understand in our later classes. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.